Hi family! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Sana po ay okay kayo. Today is 30th of November. 12 o'clock na pa ng hapon. So, today is very special kasi yung ating tradition na ginagawa sa every year, which is decorating the house with Christmas decors. Yeah, and we put up our Christmas tree and also yung Christmas lights sa labas ng bahay. Gagawin natin ngayong araw. Kaya, isasama namin kayo today sa aming activity. So, it's very special this time, this Christmas, kasi yung first Christmas ni Bambina. Ayun. So, last year, naalala ko, this time of the year, hindi ko alam na buntis na ako. So, I've learned mga 16th of December pa nung nalaman ko na buntis ako. So, this time of the year, last year, nag-decorate kami, pero hindi ko alam na mabubuntis ako, na buntis na ako that time. So, this year, Christmas is very special kasi it was an answered prayer na magkaroon ng baby, and at the same time, yun nga natupad at nangyari. Ngayon, andito na yung pinag-pray natin last year, which is si Bambina. Kaya very, very, very special. So, samahan nyo kami this time na sa ating pagde-decorate ng bahay, guys, with the Fang family. So, yung mga decorations namin, nandun pa sa attic. So, pinakataas ng bahay. Pero, meron akong mga small details na idinagdag sa collections ko. Like, itong mga tea towels na to. Like, yan. May mga Christmas touches sila. So, ito yung mga gagamitin na towels sa kitchen, red, tapos yan. Tapos ito, meron din tayong throw blanket at saka pillow. Yan. So, ito pala si baby. Hi, baby! Say hi! Hello! Show your tutu. Show your ballerina outfit. Wow! So pretty naman, this girl. Look! Wow! Nice outfit! Thanks to Daddy's friends who gave you the outfit. Christmas na ang peg sa bahay. Meron din pala akong binili kahapon na real poinsettia. Yan. Ito. So, di ko alam kung dito ko ilalagay sa kitchen or sa loob ng bahay sa sala. Pero, anyway, i-decide natin mamaya. Right, so, hello. Are you okay without gloves?
Yeah. It's
actually, this one.
It's softer than some of the other trees I've had.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because some of them are actually like this, like not this.
Oh no, it might be too much for you.
No.
You hold it left. How would you?
Wait, hang on. There's not a hole in the bottom. Scissors!
That is shitting. Can you put a hole in it?
Which scissors should I use?
Any scissors can do.
These are right.
Yeah. Is it like made of paper?
Yeah, really not.
Or we can cable tie it. But then it's not gonna look nice. So we could do it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, how are you gonna put that? But then look at the top of our tree.
We got this.
You sure? Maybe put it on one of these. This one. Oh, that one there.
There's now a hole.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, let's watch this one, sir.
And this one.
Yeah. Hey!
Talking about squash then. Oops.
Oh yeah. That's fine.
Soz.
It's shitting what we fixed. I think this
I
is
expect a
like,
hole in the bottom of it.
this is I think £2 only. Oh, there you go. Oh. Yay! Our tree's up! Nice. Hey, you scratched your face again.
I'm just going to put it down. It's supporting.
Tingnan natin yung labas ng bahay. Uy! Nice. Christmas lights is on. Ayan. Excited na ako for Christmas. It's the first Christmas of our baby. Kaya napaka-special ng Christmas this year for me and for our family. Ayan. So, nakaka-happy, no? Yung magkaroon ng Christmas tree sa bahay or Christmas decoration. It's definitely my favorite time of the year, which is Christmas. Hi, kailan kaya ulit ako makakauwi ng Pilipinas to celebrate Christmas? So, medyo nagpaparinig ako kanina kay Andy na when will be the next time that I spend Christmas in the Philippines? Antagal na. Feeling ko nung 2014 pa yung last. So, tagal na. No, 2018, I think, doon ako nag-Christmas. And then, that's it. Kasi si Andy, hindi niya na-experience kasi he needed to come back for summer. Pero, hanggang before Christmas siya doon, mga 23, ganun. Tapos, lumipad na siya pabalik ng UK. Then, ako naman, umuwi ako ng January na. Yun, 2018 yun. And then, yun na yung huli. So, mga 6 years na akong hindi nakakauwi din ng Pilipinas.